Okay, this is the last discussion for chapter 5. Okay, previously we have discussed for total stress analysis. That one is for factor of safety for slope. But this time we want to consider for effective stress analysis how to calculate the F of S for effective stress analysis. Okay, you need to download the second part for chapter 5. Okay, this is the introduction to slope stability. Okay, this is very good slide that you can refer to. The first half of this slide is all about what we already have done previous week when we try to calculate for FOS under total stress analysis. So basically, I'm showing you the step by step how to draw and then how to divide all the slices according to the question given. And this slide also offer for you to calculate the area for each of the slice. And of course, you need to consider every slice because we need to calculate for the area for every slice. So in this slice, the last part will be the determination of D, or the distance from the centroid to the slice. But in this slide, it show you the value of x. So D and x is the same thing. So you can study this slide how the determination of D and X, and from all the information, next what you need to do is to put all the information you have in one table so that you can organize your work. So this is the application of the equation, and then you get the value for F or S. And in this slide also shows how the case for tension crack, and then it also show you how to calculate for determination of F or S when tension crack happen, and also when the tension crack having the effect of water inside the tension crack. So you can study all the information there, and then you need to redo this example so that you can know how to calculate for FOS without tension crack, FOS with tension crack without water, and then FOS with tension crack with water. So that one is the last discussion, and this discussion is focused on effective stress analysis. Okay, when we want to consider for effective stress analysis, okay, normally we are dealing with the soil having both properties of C and then the properties of Phi. So in that case, we need to use this general equation to calculate for FOS. And the method that we always use to calculate for FOS for this particular discussion is what we call as ordinary method of slices, or sometimes you also know about Swedish method or Bishop method. That will be the other term used for this particular slope stability analysis. So in these two slide, it already show you how to solve for FOS for effective stress analysis. Okay, however, we want to discuss in detail what are the cases that can be asked for effective stress analysis. Okay, it is the same thing with total stress analysis. Okay, you have the possibilities of three cases, which are tension crack, without tension crack, and then with tension crack without water, and then with tension crack with water. Okay, bear in your mind the equation without tension crack. This is general equation. So when having with tension, correct? Without water, okay, you need to